how to change the header color of your Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. This is the Wix website tutorial. This is Wix website. If I'm going to optimizer, look at that, the CMS is Wix. Okay, this is the Wix website that I have designed for my clients. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you how to change the header color. Okay, now we have to go the Wix website editor. This is the Wix website editor, and we have to click the header. So if I'm gonna click on the header, then look at that, this is the option quick edit. So click on quick edit, and then look at that, skipped background. So this is the skipped background. Click on changed and click on color. After that, if I'm going to hover over the black color, then look at that, the header color changed. Look at that, when I hover over, then header color will be changed. If I'm going to select this color, then the background color changed. So I'm going to select this color. This is my actual background color that I want to select. So click on colors and then click on publish. After that it will be live. Okay, already it's published, and go the main website, and if I'm going to refresh this website, then look at that, the color already changed. So that's the thing actually. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon the next video. Thank you.